We have one left back here that my kids like to eat. Okay, I got to get the 28 other than the 18 because the 18 go out fast. Of course, I break the box. Peanuts. Jamie loves these. All right, Queens and Kings. So after I made it in from work, I was coming home to do the dishes, do the kitchen, but obviously my little princess, well, my baby girl did it for me. So she laughing because I'm started recording her because I was like, girl, you cleaning the kitchen? Oh, I got to get this on camera. And so that's basically what I'm doing here and actually trying to tell her about cleaning the kitchen too, how I like my dishes. It's not the same. That's a scrubber. You need a rag. I don't see how you be cleaning my dish. That's probably why they be still feeling a little greasy after you wash dishes. You know what? The soap is good enough though. But yeah, bleach does get the extra grind in there though. But you ain't gonna get no extra grind with no doggone scrubber. That's a scrubber, not a rag. I don't know who taught you how to wash dishes, because I know I didn't teach you that way. Say what? No, whatever. You ain't had number 5 dishes. Just like that, the kitchen is done. All right, Queens and Keys. So I done made it back home from the grocery store, doing some quick pickup, getting the kids some snacks and stuff, as you all see. But I want to show you guys an overview of Andre Depressing room. Oh my God. Pretty much I fell into the funk and I wasn't on top of him, keeping his room clean and everything. So it pretty much went to the wayside, but that's okay. So I decided to go ahead and started cleaning it up while he was at school. Now, I promise you, he supposed to actually help me, but when I got that little burst of energy, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do it. And I got a burst of energy trying to record for TikTok as well as YouTube. So this is why you guys getting this video in fast lap, because I put the camera on fast lap other than normal. So I do apologize, but pretty much I started with his bed, taking the sheets and stuff off, everything that I need to wash. And then I started working on the outside, picking up everything off the floors and toys and organizing it, putting it where it need to go, throwing away trash, as well as getting clothes and hanging clothes up and stuff. So I just decided to put everything on the bed, and then I just work on the outsides, and then I go back to the bed. Pretty much that's what I'm doing now. And so I got these little bins and stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree, that I got like his cars and little men's in them and stuff like that, little toys that he played with and stuff. And I just started organizing. Hey, Queens and Kings. So Andre, y'all know Andre loves surprises, and he's so excited. Okay, it has something to do with your phone, Dre.
Wait, what?
It has something to do with your phone.
Wait, what? Wait, what? The whole time you just tricked me.
Because he excited that his phone back working, because his phone have not been working for some time now. it wasn't charging up, so I had to get a whole nother charger. But your phone right there on the counter. So I told him I have a surprise for him. And
Why is it about the phone? Why is it about the phone?
you ain't figured it out yet?
No, no, I'm not.
Okay, it started with an R.
Recharge?
Nope, not recharge. You smart, boy. You smart. But no, it started with an R. It started with an O. I think it started with O.
What?
It's on your phone, though.
Roblox!
Roblox! Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
No way. No way.
He got some Roblox, child. He be excited about that thing. Child. Oh, Lord, I'm still a little rough, y'all. I'm going to get it together. But, honey, he is excited about that Roblox. But I'm in here trying to get his room together, so I had to take a break because I had to go pick him up from school, from aftercare, so yeah, so I'm about to get ready to get started back. I'm actually trying to record for TikTok as well as YouTube all at the same time. This is gonna be the first time I ever done this. So y'all follow me on TikTok, Queen Valerie over there. Follow me over there, y'all. This is hard to do. I'm trying to be a full-time content creator, honestly. That's what I want to do. That's what I really want to do. But I know I need to pretty much go into my creativity. But doing creativity requires money. So, we're gonna see what the Lord holds in stores for me. So, because I know you guys noticed, like, I have not really been into creating, uploading, honestly, because I ran into a burnout. No creativity coming through my mind, no motivation. Well, excuse you. I forgive you. He don't care, do we? He don't care. But yeah, I just ran into a block with so much on my mind. I really couldn't just really pull myself together to just concentrate and just put out content and stuff like that. Because I'm tired. Mentally, physically, emotionally tired. But I'm trying to push myself because, like I said, I want to do content creating full time, honestly. You know, I do it part time right now, but I want to do it full time. But I know there's more things that I need to indulge into to be there. So you guys leave down in the comment section below, comment down below, let me know what type of videos you guys are into. I know you guys love when I decorate and stuff like that, because that's most likely I get the most views of me decorate. But honestly, sometimes I run out of ideas with decorating till something pop up in my head and be like, okay, let me try this idea now, let me try this look now, let me try something different. So I don't know, you guys just let me know, you know. But I need to get back into this because now I done sat down, I'm starting to get lazy. And y'all seen what Andre room was looking like earlier. The depression is real. But he's supposed to have helped me, but I just said, no, let me just go ahead and do it. Let me start, because it was going to take me all day, because I have other areas in the house that I need to do too. So hopefully this weekend I can actually dedicate it to that. But I'm trying to find balance too, because I done fell off going to the gym. I just done fell off. I really have fell off, and I don't like that for me. I really don't. I really don't. So, and then I have sponsored videos and people emailing me, stuff like that. I just really have not had the motivation. I just really burnt out. I don't want to pick up the camera. I don't want to do nothing. I mean, nothing. So that's why some of the videos you guys have been seeing, like the dump vlogs and stuff like that, or me incorporating home decor into a vlog, because that's when I have a little burst of energy and I say, okay, let me record while I'm doing this, because I need to create content. But can't be a full-time creator and be in a state of mind like this. So I don't know, y'all, but I appreciate you guys for sticking with me, though. I really do appreciate the ones, you know, to you all watching the videos, wherever you're watching it, how you're watching it. I appreciate it, you know. And hopefully you guys continue to let the ads play because...
Why does my camera looks good for right now?
Because I did notice that too, a Draskell drop in my income when it come down to YouTube. So let the videos, let the ads, please, thank you. So let me get back to this. Let me deal with him for a moment, and then I'm gonna jump back into this here because his clothes, not his clothes, his sheets and stuff done stopped because I was waiting on them because I noticed I don't have another set of sheets for him. So now that's what I need to buy. I never paid that no attention because I guess by when I had a twin size bed for him, I had multiples, but never thinking, oh, well, I could put one of my old sheets on here. See, that's why I didn't have none. Because I had multiple for my room when it was decorated as my room, but not as his room. So I wasn't even thinking of that, girl. I'm just thinking of colorful sheets. So anyway, let me start running my mouth because I don't run my mouth a little too damn much now. I'll tell y'all later. How you spell what, Dre? Huh?
Bro.
B-R-O. Or B-O. Why did I put that many in there? I have no idea. Get it together, Val. Hey, that's that. I don't really need to clean this doggone laundry room. Look at it. Girl, that's a whole nother task. Get it together, Val. Stop complaining. Get it together. Exactly. Get it together, Val. So basically that's what I'm trying to finish on up now that Andre done made it on home and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum the floor now. It may not look like it's nothing on this floor, y'all. I promise you it's a whole lot on this floor. Remember I said I was picking up everything up off the floors and everything and put it on the bed. So that was trash and everything because I actually got down on my hands and knees and got up under that bed. And you already know when it come down to little kids, it be all types of stuff up under the bed. And I pretty much put a whole lot. So we're going to put this rug on down. And after we get his rug and everything on down, I'm going to go ahead and start dusting his TV area here. Now this part is from this little clip here. This is from part of TikTok of me recording. I didn't hit the record button for you all. So I do apologize. I promise you I apologize. But I had to come up with the footage. So, and this is me compromising. So, but anyways, I'm dusting this TV area and everything, all the stuff on here, and I'm going to wipe it down with my sanitizer wipe. So, therefore, I can get rid of some of the germs and things too as well, all at one. Because remember, this is a little boy, and he touched everything. And they, you know, they don't believe washing their hands like that. So, you got to get on top of them. But yeah, that's what we're doing on this side of the room. Okay, so now that we have done all the dusting over here by his TV, eventually I'm going to start doing the dusting on his desk. But right now I'm going to go ahead and just shake all the little dirt that I done put on the bed now. Pretty much shake it on back onto the floor and I'm going to vacuum again. But you guys ain't going to get to see me do that part there because of the simple fact I started losing footage not recording. Ugh, I hate that. But yeah, anyway, so his sheets and stuff is still in the washer and thing, so I'm waiting for it to pretty much go ahead and do the last spin at this moment here, so therefore I can put it in the dryer. But anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and start the dusting. You definitely got to get the top of this bed, get up in the cracks of this bed, but I really didn't do too much of that. I just grazed it enough just to get some of the dust and everything off of it. Now I was about to do the fan, but I was like, oh, I did the fan the other day, so I don't need to. So what I'm using now is this odor band here. So this is like a disinfectant spray with an air freshener to it all at the same time. So that's pretty much what I did for the bed. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start it to wipe stuff down, dust all at the same time. So therefore, it can kill some of these germs. All right, Queens and Kings, so I'm finally done with this room. It's dark now, like, oh my goodness. I didn't show you guys me making up the bed because I was running my mouth, and like I said, I had the sheets and stuff in the dryer and stuff, so it was just like, okay, it's slowing me down, but I just went on and made the bed off camera or whatever. But this is the room, that's all clean back up, child. Pray to God that it stay like this. Praise that it stays like this. But you know, this Andre, what's that? The token. But yeah, so this is the room. Now this here is what I want to just declutter some more. But don't y'all know that Andre actually noticed when something is missing? His little space child. He noticed when something is missing. But this is the room, all back clean. So yeah.